Hey guys, I'm here back at my grandmother's house, and dog's name finally is, drum roll please,
Da 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 dum.
Oliver. We stuck with Oliver, I know. So this is my other grandmother.
Hi.
Somebody's knocking on the window.
Doing something.
Okay, so we stuck with Oliver. He's in his cage because there's a lot of people over, and I don't know if they want to be on camera, and I don't know if I'm gonna get a glimpse of them, and I'm posting this video even if I get something in it. So we're just outside right now. It's pretty nice out, but it's really chilly.
It's getting cold.
Yeah, there's somebody walking down the street right now.
Alright, let's go in.
Okay, so we're 1 minute. So yeah, this video is really short. I just, it's an update video. Yeah. So yeah. So we're going.
Don't forget that toy case I leave
I
before
won't.
you do.
We're going inside. Okay, we're going inside. Pop up. Do you want to be on camera? There's Pop up.
It's getting
Cold out there.
Yeah.
Mommy, do you want to be on camera?
Going to be on camera? Sure, camera loves me.
It's on YouTube.
Oh, okay. Hello, YouTube. Yeah.
I'm deleting this video.
You came back. We missed you. Oh, it's cold out, isn't it? Wow. I don't like the cold either.
Come here, Oliver. You're out.
Oh, I'm gonna show them. This is Oliver now. He's got a tiny bit. Okay, not at all bigger.
Hey, baby.
Ask and ye shall receive.
Was that your picture?
I'm keeping
I
it.
thought that's what Chucky said. Who is it?
That sounds like a personal file.
You don't know who it is? I don't even know who it is.
Great grandfather?
Yeah. I think so.
Oh, he kind of reminds me of my dad, so I'm wondering if this, without the glasses, without the magnifying glass, I can't see that well. End of dawn.
I'm keeping this one. I'm keeping this one because it has Gigi in it. So
That's my mother. That's my mother. And that's my sister-in-law. I think that might be Aunt Sarah. I think, I'm not sure. You know why?
that's what Pop-Up said.
My eyes ain't working too good. I don't see very well. Well, that's good because I can't see the dirt in the house either.
Do you have an album to put them in?
Ideal, the one
Okay.
you gave me.
Well, if that, honey, that might be too small. But if, oh no, you the one that's shaped as a unicorn.
Yeah, that's what I was talking about.
Oh, has he been in the hospital?
No more review.
I love
She
when...
wanted that, yeah, I think she took it. Is that the one you took?
Yeah.
Yes, I
Yeah,
love when
that's
they
her,
say,
she
you
took
know,
one with her great-grandfather and her great-grandmother.
survey. I say, sure. They'll say, okay, wait a minute while we connect you. I say, okay, and I hang up the phone.
We can get a picture from it. This is my dad. I gotta get a picture from it though.
You have a camera? I can take a picture of it.
I don't have a camera. My camera's home in Philadelphia.
How about your phone?
My daughter will do it then. We didn't know who to see. I really didn't know my father that well. And but that kind of reminds me.
Yes, you'll
of
take a
him.
picture of it. This way you have it and you can.
My sister-in-law. I'm all out of whack this week with this situation with my brother-in-law.
Do you want to be on camera?
Huh?
Do you want to be on camera?
She's gonna make a copy for me.
Do you want to be on camera?
She wants to know if you want to be on camera. She's
I
going to
might break it.
She wants a video.
Then I'd be in trouble. If I break the camera.
Sure, so you can have a picture of her on there.
Would I be in trouble?
No.
No, no. I can't take a picture from a video.
No, but you can
No,
have
but you can get a picture of me.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. Well, bye, guys.
I'm telling you to tell the little one, Gigi.